Hey there! Frustrated by Netflix not working on your Amazon Fire TV stick? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with Netflix on their streaming devices. But don't worry, this guide will show you step by step how to fix Netflix not working on Amazon Fire TV stick so you can get back to binge watching your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The most common reason for Netflix not working on your Amazon Fire TV stick is a poor or unstable internet connection. Here's how to check and potentially fix your internet connectivity. Go to the settings on your Fire TV stick. Navigate to Network to see if your device is connected to the internet. If disconnected, choose your network and re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Consider rebooting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves streaming issues quickly. Step 2. Restart your Fire TV stick. If your internet connection works fine but Netflix is still unresponsive, restart your Amazon Fire TV stick. Follow these steps. Press and hold the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, then My Fire TV. Select Restart to reboot your device. A restart can clear temporary glitches, allowing apps like Netflix to function properly once again. Step 3. Clear Netflix app cache. Corrupted data in your app cache may also cause Netflix to stop working. To clear the cache, navigate to Settings on your Fire TV stick. Select Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Find and select Netflix. Choose Clear Cache, then Clear Data. Clearing the cache does not delete your account information, it simply removes temporary data that might be causing issues. Step 4. Update Netflix app. Your Netflix app may need an update to work correctly. Ensure your app is running the latest version. Go to the App Store on your Fire TV stick. Search for Netflix to see if an update is available. Select Update if prompted. Updates often contain bug fixes and improvements that enhance app stability. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall Netflix. If all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling the Netflix app can resolve persistent issues. Head to Settings, Applications, and Manage Installed Applications. Select Netflix and choose Uninstall. Navigate to the App Store, search for Netflix, and reinstall it. This fresh installation can remove underlying bugs that prevent the app from working. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix Netflix not working on Amazon Fire TV stick. Whether it's a connectivity issue, software glitch, or cache corruption, these steps should help you get Netflix back up and running smoothly. Problems with streaming services can be annoying, but knowing how to troubleshoot them efficiently can save a lot of frustration. Use these solutions to ensure a seamless viewing experience, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone facing the same Netflix issues. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies.